Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you what is Shein Club. So Shein Club is a membership program that is being offered by the online fashion retailer Shein, which is designed to provide members with exclusive benefits and enhance their shopping experience. So members of this program have some benefits, and the first one is that members receive a 5% discount on non-sale items. That means that eligible products are marked with a special Shein Club logo, and this discount can be combined with other coupons and promo codes, which cannot be way better. The next benefit is some shipping coupons. Every 31 days, members of the club are issued coupons for free or discounted shipping, which can be used alongside other promotional offers. And the last but not least benefit is that members earn double points for every dollar spent, accelerating the accumulation of points that can be redeemed for future discounts. And now I'll tell you some information about fees. As for 2025, the membership costs $7 for 3 months or $20 annually. But Shein also offers a 14 days free trial for eligible users to experience the benefits before committing. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.